Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. So what we're going to do on this episode is get into 3 reasons why I believe Cardano will continue to blast off. So we are witnessing history right now. So if you guys have not checked out CoinMarketCap, it is beautiful. So we are October 6th of 2025 and Bitcoin is above 125,000. So this has never happened before. And guys, typically when Bitcoin breaks new all-time highs, then we will see hopefully an alt season. So that's going to be getting into point number 1. And guys, keep in mind, nothing on this episode should be taken as financial advice. You're listening to a loose moose. But also, guys, comment down below. What are your thoughts? What are your opinions? What is the number 1 reason why you believe Cardano will either break out or collapse? I just want to hear your thoughts and opinions right down below. So, guys, diving into it, Bitcoin, 125K. I believe it did it around a day or 2 ago. So if we look on the weekly, yeah, I remember because it was late. Bitcoin hit 125. Dipped down hard, right? So it got down to 122, which is fine. I like seeing extreme volatility. So whether it's to the upside or downside, I like seeing volatility, right? I want to see price movement. That means things are happening, right? We're making moves. And until you see that extreme volatility, alt season is not going to happen. So guys, Bitcoin at new record all-time highs. This is a good sign. This is a bunch of new liquidity going into the crypto world, right? 4.29 trillion. And if we take a look, what is Bitcoin's dominance here? Whatever it is, like Bitcoin has the majority of the market cap. Well, it's 2.4, right? So it's got over 50%, roughly 50%. No, more. Yeah, it'd have more than 50%. So it's like 55%, maybe 60% of the market. So basically what we're going to see, hopefully, is a bunch of that liquidity that's in Bitcoin. People get kind of bored. People are like, oh, where else could I make money? Let's put it in Ethereum. Ethereum pumps. Let's put it into Solana. Solana pumps. Let's put it into Cardano. Cardano. Right? Cardano, baby. Look at that. About to break out. About to get the moose loose. Right? We're going to celebrate with some beer skis real soon, right? So, guys, if Cardano breaks out here, the moose is going to get loose, dude. Partying for a week. Probably going to rent a Lambo. Waste all of his money within like a couple weeks. Moose ain't that rich. Moose is not that rich. Right? So, can't be living like the crypto king, right? Oof. So, guys, that is number 1. Bitcoin all-time highs. Alt season about to happen. Let's get into point number 2. So, guys, at 87 cents, really cool. We'll circle back to this in a minute. But guys, Midnight. Midnight is a new privacy-focused blockchain. I've been talking about it. I got to get all Canadian. I've been talking about it for a while there, bud. So we've been going over Midnight, right? Midnight is going to be incredible. It's going to be, a breakaway top shelf, right? Game 7 of the Stanley Cups, if you will. So this is cool. If you guys have not seen my other videos, head over to the channel. I have videos on how to claim your Midnight. So go here, type in Midnight Moose. That should be my new nickname, Midnight Moose. Put hashtag Midnight Moose in the comment section. I might send you something. So here, how to claim your night tokens. So if you guys go to Midnight's website, go to Claim Night. And you can claim your token. So, in fact, this date has been extended. So, for phase 1, which has been open, so basically, depending on your allocation in Bitcoin, holders get like 20% of the night claim. 50% is going towards Cardano holders because Cardano is a partner chain. Midnight is a separate blockchain, right? It's a new privacy-focused blockchain going to be built for things like RWAs, more privacy though. So built for institutions, etc. If you look here, you can follow the steps. Current wallets that are being supported, we'll get into it right now for ADA. So ADA, you got Lace, Yoroi, Typhoon, I just call it, Giro, Vesper, NuFi, and then you have Trezor. So I've done a video on that. Trezor, Ledger. Guys, connect it to Yoroi. So Yoroi is the easiest method in my eyes. So that's what I've been using. So it's been very cool doing it that way. But I do have tutorials. So if you want to know how to claim Night, I've got videos like this one where I put up 2 months ago. It should continue to go up. How to claim Night tokens. That's if you have a hot wallet, non-custodial, meaning you wrote down your seed phrase and you have custody of your crypto. So on top of that, we have a bunch of content on the channel, guys. But guys, let's get into this. So extending phase 1. So the new close date for phase 1 is October 20th. So you guys still have 14 days. So 2 weeks to claim those Night rewards. I recommend doing that because if you have, for example, a couple of my wallets, I had like 8,000 Night. No, 8,000 and significantly less than the other. But I had 8,000 in one wallet and I was able to claim. So right now, I've still not been able to claim using Tangem. Tangem, if you are listening, let us know. But I was holding Bitcoin on there, hoping I could claim that. But it's just not working out. But that's okay. Try out your other wallets. You guys should be using Lace if you can. Even if you have something like a Trezor, a Ledger. This is the Ledger Flex. This one's awesome. Or a Tangem. These are great wallets. But for Cardano, I use my Trezor. It's never failed me. A little bit of hiccups here and there with the midnight claim. But Trezor Model T, Safe 5, Safe 3 even. Those would be good options. And if you guys want to pick one up, go to the link tree. So in the link tree, you guys can click on these links. Use code MOOSE for Tangem. Save 10% off a 2-card, 3-card set. Or you could even pick up a ring. So you can get a little ring. Get married to crypto like the Moose and let loose, right? Or you can pick up a Trezor, Ledger. Pick up something like that. So yeah, so now I don't have to try to get you guys to buy my course later. Actually, buy my course. I'm kidding. This is a free course. If you guys want, take the free Cardano mini course. I am not under investigation with the SEC like Ty Lopez, so you guys are free to take the Moose's course. I'm not scamming anybody with this course. In fact, like I know that's actually going on with Ty. Whatever. I don't know the whole situation. I'm making jokes. But guys, honestly, if you want to learn everything that you need to know as a beginner, specifically for beginners, I built a course. It is a free Cardano mini course. I don't even upsell you. If you want, you can take a Masterclass. Guys, these courses are $20. The one course took me 8 months to build. Okay, so for 8 months, I had a studio at the time for this too. So yeah, guys, watch the trailers. If you actually want to get good at crypto, if you're lacking fundamental experience, how to set up a wallet, how to back things up, I cannot help you in person like I can by having you take these courses. They come with workbooks. They come with free resources. And I'm here to help you. That's why I'm here. I make no money on YouTube. I make like $100 a month on YouTube. I literally make $100 a month. I'm doing this for legacy. I'm doing this because I want to get better as an investor. And by me teaching myself, I can document it, help you guys out as well. So if I'm helping you, perfect. That is wonderful. So guys, use these resources. They're not for me. I don't make a lot of money doing this. I make nothing. Maybe I'll make money in 10 years. Maybe in 10 years, I'll have a decent sponsorship. But my crypto investment will go up, right? So for me, it's an opportunity for you guys to pick and choose. Oh, I like what he's doing here, but I also don't like what he's done here. I'm also willing to make mistakes, right? You are literally winning or learning in this space. So yeah, take it as you will, but I'm very bullish on Midnight. These are free opportunities. Guys, also, some of you, man, I have these new projects. I put them out here. Look, there's BDAG and there's DNet, okay? These projects may not work out, but you can mine these tokens for free. Okay, download the app. Try to get in on something early. You don't even have to buy this stuff. Use the referral code. It gets you free access. So there's some of you that want to change your life. This is an opportunity for that, right? There's nowhere else where you can get 100x return without taking monumental risk. Here it's risk-free, and risk to reward ratio, huge potential reward, very little risk. If it doesn't work out, who cares? You go back to being broke. So whatever. Cardano, point number 3. So Midnight's point number 2. But guys, point number 3. Cardano's price point. Okay, so you could get into the TAs. I'm not even going to try to tackle that. But other than obviously, it's fighting out of this descending wedge pattern. So on the year, look at this. It does look beautiful. If we can break above 90 cents, we're probably going to see it get much higher. And in psychological levels as well, $1 is a big point for Cardano. And that's why I'm talking about the 90 cents. Once Cardano can break above 90, let's say it hits $1, okay? Let's just use $1. Once it gets to $1, it's broken out of a lot of resistance patterns. And with where Bitcoin is now, and with the ETFs, with Midnight, and let alone if Bitcoin could get to 150K or more, who knows, right? We could see Cardano do very, very, very well. It is still one of the largest, in fact, one of the most decentralized cryptocurrencies in the world. It's been built to scale. Transactions will get bigger, better, faster. Institutions are buying it. It's already in an ETF, right? I just don't think it's had its own ETF. We're seeing a lot going on with Cardano, okay? This thing has been built from scratch. The proof of staking is phenomenal. I still use it. You can easily delegate. The fact that we have Midnight and all these tokens, all these people coming on board, Bitcoin DeFi, like guys, wake up. Wake up. It's one of the only top layer 1 blockchains that has not exploded yet in price. So that's why I believe we're going to see Cardano do well. Guys, let's get loose. Comment in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think. Do you agree? Is the moose off? I don't know. Let me know. Cheers, everybody. I gotta go.